All right, today I'm going to talk to you about a treatment for joint pain. All right, I'm going to be talking about several things that I use to treat joint pain. Now, there are various other treatments on how to treat joint pain, such as medications that reduce inflammation, physical therapy, lifestyle changes, such as losing weight, and home remedy, which I'm going to show you right here. And then, of course, there is surgery that some people do to eliminate joint pain for things such as joint fusion and joint replacement. Some of those things may be necessary. Now, I'm going to go over this home treatment that I do that works for me. And with that being said, you need to see a physician before you do anything, because the physician can actually help you understand why you're having those joint pains that you're having. And before you try any supplement, make sure that you check with your physician to make sure it's right for you. All right, now with that being said, this is what I do, and it has absolutely been a game changer for me. And I'm going to go over with what I take for my joint pain and how it has relieved me from the joint pain that I've experienced, especially after I've been working out or getting up too swiftly. I can actually hurt my joints a little bit, or on those cold nights, cold days, where the temperature itself brings pain to my joints. I found this home remedy that I use to be very effective at relieving the joint pain. Now, with that being said, it was not an overnight thing. I actually started noticing relief from my joint pain over the course of a few weeks, and then over a course of a few months, it dramatically improved. No longer had pains like I did before, able to do normal functions such as working out and whatnot. So I'm going to talk to you about what I do to treat joint pain. Now, the first and foremost, before I talk about what I have right here, is the collagen peptides. So I'm pretty sure that many of you are familiar with collagen peptides, okay? Collagen peptides is sold, it's one of the hottest selling proteins on the market right now. You can find it at grocery stores, drugstores, Costco's, Sam's Clubs, you name it. And the reason why is because this stuff, even though there isn't a lot of scientific evidence yet, people have been testing this out on themselves and been having great results with using this, okay? This is collagen peptides right here. This is just a brand made by a company called Orgain. There are several different types of collagen peptide companies out there producing great stuff. Well, if you look on here, it says hair, skin, nail, joint, and gut support. And I want to circle the gut support right there because that is essentially what I use it for. Not gut support, excuse me, for joints. That is essentially what I use it for, and it has been showing me great results. Now with this is collagen right here. It comes with 1 scoop in here. 1 scoop is 1 serving. Some people just take 1 scoop per day. It gives you about a total of 19 grams of protein, okay? And what I do is you mix it in here. You can see right here, it looks like a champagne color. You can see that right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop a little bit more. I'm just gonna do half a scoop more into this container right here. And so this is what it looks like initially. And then as it starts to dissolve, begins to dissolve, it will become cloudy before going back to a champagne color. Now it's essential that I've had luck with putting this in just water at room temperature. If you have ice water, the collagen will gum up and will not dissolve. So what I do is I mix it in here and then stir it and then let it sit for a while as it continues to dissolve. So I take the collagen, and I've noticed I've had great results with just taking collagen in itself until I've done more reading and found out ways that I can improve beyond just taking collagen. One of them is taking the dosage and breaking it up through the day. Instead of one scoop all at once, I'll take one scoop in the morning, second scoop perhaps in the evening or at lunchtime. That helps you spread out the dosage so your body can absorb it better, supposedly. Of course, that is a theory, but it seems to be working out for me. So that's the collagen. Some people actually use more than the suggested serving size. Perhaps they weigh a little bit more, or perhaps their body is more in demand of it, but they have seen great results with taking more. Some people, if you have allergic reactions, may not take this and perhaps go to a different form of collagen, such as marine or chicken collagen. And some people even do a vegan collagen, which isn't collagen in all actuality. It actually has ingredients which are precursors for producing collagen within your body. So I have collagen right here mixed up. And what I have learned is through taking collagen, I can improve the effects that the collagen has by having vitamin C. Right here, I have vitamin C. This is time-released vitamin C. And the purpose of taking this is vitamin C assists with the building of collagen within your body. If you are lacking vitamin C within your diet, you will have difficulties producing collagen. One study that has been posted for years is smokers. Smokers have to take more vitamin C because the vitamin C is being used up so swiftly to combat the effects of the smoking that on the body. So they have to take vitamin C, more vitamin C than the average person to make up for them smoking. And if you've noticed, people who smoke actually have signs of collagen deficiency, such as wrinkled skin, thinner hair, and perhaps weaker joints, because they don't have enough vitamin C to make up for all of the smoking that they have done. So the body can't produce collagen like an average person can. So with that being said, I have vitamin C in my diet. I just add this along to it to perhaps give me an extra boost just in case I forget to have my vitamin C diet that day. Perhaps I want to eat pizza. That's no excuse. I shouldn't be eating pizza in the first place. I should be eating a healthier diet. But I take this and it assists. So the vitamin C assists with collagen building. And then there's also other things that have been introduced to me, and it has been told to me that this can dramatically increase the effects of building collagen within my own body. And that is, one of the things is glucosamine and chondroitin. This right here, glucosamine and chondroitin, are supposed to be things that are necessary for the well-being of cartilage within your body. And someone told me if you take this after a while, you'll start to notice that the pain in your joints will go away. And perhaps it has something to do with the support that it has on the cartilage in my body. And it alleviates the pain. So I've noticed even less pain than I did while just taking collagen peptides alone. So I take this along with it, and the amount for the serving is right here. It says glucosamine, 1,500 milligrams, chondroitin, sulfate sodium, 1,200 milligrams. And so that's the daily recommended. It comes with 2 tablets. I'll open this up so you can see this itself. But I've noticed that the joint pain has dramatically decreased since taking these right here. All right, so here are the glucosamine and chondroitin. So some people take the full dose all at once. A lot of people are recommending splitting the dose up throughout the day for maximum absorption. Now the pills, if you take them in pill form, you see how large the pills are. And that's one of the main complaints that a lot of people have, is how large the pills are when taking glucosamine and chondroitin. And the reason why the pills are so large, I've heard, was because glucosamine and chondroitin are not well absorbed by the body. Therefore, they add a lot more in the dosage to make up for all of the glucosamine and chondroitin that is not absorbed. Okay, so that's why the pills are so large. Now, the pills are so large that it may be too much for most people. So they also produce glucosamine and chondroitin powder in powder form, so you can mix it perhaps in with your champagne or collagen. So this is glucosamine and chondroitin capsules. These are the 2 tablets that make up 1 serving. I'm going to set that to the side and close this up. So we have the vitamin C, which I talked about. I have time-release vitamin C. Place that to the side. That's what this looks like. And then I have over here, this is MSM, not like the news network MSN, but MSM. Now this right here is supposed to provide sulfur, an essential building block for the joints, cartilage, skin, hair, nails. There's a lot of literature on this about how it improves hair, makes it fuller, stronger, thicker, bolder. Can't think of any more adjectives. But it's supposed to make it your hair a lot better. But also, within the literature, beyond all of the hair growth potential that this offers, MSM actually helps with joint pain and perhaps protects your joints. Okay, so you have MSM and you have glucosamine and chondroitin. And from what I've read, this essentially helps with the structure around your joints and cartilage, as well as add moisture to those parts as well, from what I read. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the MSM so you can see this. And it says 1 serving size is 1 capsule, and it's 1,000 milligrams of MSM. Okay, this is MSM with Opti MSM. I have no idea what that means, okay? So I'm just reading the bottle. I'm gonna set this down. So this is 1,000 milligrams or 1 gram right here that you take, okay? And so with all of this right here, notice there's quite a bit of them. Are gonna bring me better joints, better feeling joints, less pain. But it won't necessarily resolve the issue for long run, especially when you don't know the reason why you have sore joints. This is why it's very important that you go to your doctor, talk to your doctor, get tested, and know specifically why you're having pain in your joints and what is the best approach to getting rid of the pain that you're having. The doctor knows best. This is just a home remedy that I use, okay? This is not saying you should do this, but I'm saying this works for me. And maybe it may work for you, but before you try anything, make sure you get approval from your physician, all right? So I hope this video was helpful in some way, and perhaps this method that I use to alleviate pain with my joints and keep my joints nice and strong can be helpful to you as well. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.